Same thing, just keep your jaw shut. You don't need to clench it by all means, just keep it closed. Oh! That's perfect.
Okay.
Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Okay, just breathe through your nose, keep your teeth together. Yes, ma'am. I got you. Atta girl. Good job.
No.
My husband,
Oh, that's right. Your
he watches
husband
Jeff
referred.
quite a bit.
Yeah. There you go, boy. That was one for the ages. Okay, let me have you here. Oh yeah. Crack X be loving you. Okay. There you go, boy. Get better. Okay. Yes, sir. Crack X gonna look.
Oh dang. Oh.
And breathe. There we go.
Oh. Oh.
Good.
I felt that one.
Just breathe through your nose, keep your teeth together. Oh yeah.
Oh my
Yep, that's a, oh my god, wow adjustment. Okay, let me have your neck with your right big toe. There.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
I got you, honey. Let it go. Atta girl. Good job. Now, just breathe through your nose. And with your left big toe. Just like that. Oh, yes, ma'am. Okay, let me have you, hon. There you go. See, you thought one of those skiing accidents was bad. There we go.
That is very nice.
Well, that's it. Here, one more. There you go. Got you on that one.
Oh god.
Feel a little taller now?
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder with your left big ear. There you go. Better. Better. Now left ear to left shoulder with your right big toe. Much better.
Oh! God. Oh my god.
Relax right there.
Oh my god. Oh, that sounds.
Okay.
There we go. Now, have a deep breath through your nose. Oh boy, that was a home run. Okay, left. Now, let me have you. Yes, ma'am. Surgical opinions from licensed, competent, reputable surgeons. Okay, lift your
Yeah, that's great.
I haven't done anything yet.
No, I mean the way I'm laying.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
very
it does feel
comfortable.
good, doesn't it?
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. See there? My hands. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust.
Oh. Oh, wow.
Breathe from a deep breath in. Exhale out.
Ooh.
And we're gonna do the distraction.
Oh, that felt so good.
The towel around his cervical spine, but I'm not choking him. My contact comes at the base of the occiput with this wet towel, just like that. All right, wiggle your right big toe. There you go. Tilt right, wiggle your left ear. That's it. Perfect. Curriculum, and there you go. Perfect. Didn't even scream. Tilt left a little. There it is. Tilt right. That's it.
That was the one.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Now, okay, just breathe through your nose. I want you to wiggle your left big toe, just like that. That wasn't as bad though.
No, it wasn't.
Okay, let me have your neck, just like that. Tilt right, just like that. Boom. Okay, deep breath. Wiggle your right big toe. There it is, right there. I didn't hear him screaming. Okay, yeah, let me have this. There. See, it works better when I do it. There you go.
We're just gonna distract out in the y-axis direction.
Oh my god.
Good. There we go.
Oh my god, that was amazing. Oh my god, that was amazing.
So we're gonna bring her just like this. Good.
Holy.
Okay. From here, we stand at the top of the table. Patient's just relaxed.
I feel that all the way down my spine.
Yes, sir. All right. Let me tilt you left. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Okay, on this one now, you just want to keep your teeth together. Make sure you don't bite your tongue. Breathe through your nose. Wiggle your left big toe. That a girl. Yeah, boy. Crack addict's definitely gonna love you. Well, that's a lot better reaction than crying. I got you. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Look at you.
Oh boy.
Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That a girl. Keep your teeth together for me, Matt. Keep breathing. There you go. That wasn't so bad. Yeah. Drop your head in my hand. Perfect.
Oh, shoot.
Now tilt your head to your right shoulder.
Oh.
Boy, doesn't get any better.
Oh. Ah.
Oh, I can feel the pain there.
Can you?
Yes. Oh shit!
Deep breath
That
in.
was so good. Oh my god.
Breathe.
Oh.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. There we go. I got you. Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna
Comment.
put my
Yeah, you're
arms.
right here. Huh? There you go. Okay, lay your head back. Good. Yep. Keep your teeth together though. Breathe through your nose. Just like that.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I already felt relief.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, tilt right with your left ear. There you go.
Oh.
That's better. There you go. All right. Yes, ma'am. You are letting go better. Look at you.
Yeah.
Just breathe through your nose. I'll get the rest here. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Boy, oh boy. Let me have your neck on this one. Perfect. Drop it in my hand. Just like.
Oh my goodness, that was so fantastic!
goodness, that was so fantastic! Oh, oh my gosh, you have no idea how horrible. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, good.
We're going to decompress.
Wow.
Just lay there, relax.